Alphabet, that's NASDAQ ticker GOOG, jumps 9% plus on Friday following Q1 2024 earnings beat and first dividend issuance. Alphabet is headquartered in Mountain View, California. It is the third largest tech firm in the world by revenue and the fourth most valuable company in the world. It offers numerous services to consumers, including internet search, drone delivery, streaming, healthcare, scientific research, cloud services, and AI. The company makes most of its revenue from ad services via its Google network services, including AdSense, AdMob, and AdManager. On Thursday, April 25th, Alphabet released its Q1 fiscal 2024 results to a positive market reaction. In the first quarter, Alphabet reported a 25% revenue jump to $80.54 billion, compared to $69.79 billion last year, beating forecasts of $78.59 billion. Net income for the quarter jumped 57.21% to $23.66 billion, compared to $15.05 billion last year, for a diluted EPS of $1.89, above estimates of $1.51. The operating income increased 46.26% to $25.47 billion, while the operating margin improved from 25% in the first quarter of fiscal 2023 to 32%. For the first time since it went public, the Alphabet board has approved a dividend payout as part of its capital return program. The board has approved a payout of 20 cents per share on each of the three classes of shares. Additionally, the board approved another $70 billion in share buybacks for Class A and C shares. Following the impressive Q1 results and dividend announcement, GOOG shares soared a total of 11.33% last week into the close on Friday, April 26, 2024, to $173.69. During the earnings call on Thursday, executives emphasized that they were making the investments necessary to help them remain competitive. While investors are still wary of the enormous costs required to bring AI online and turn it profitable, they are confident in Alphabet's ability to meet these challenges. Before we end the video, make sure you smash the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts in the discussion box below, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you for watching this featured presentation on Alphabet by DexWire News. We'll see you in the next video.